The hatred that some of us South Africans have towards our African brothers and sisters is disgusting, and history will judge us for this. Tell me why we as South Africans always want to use our brothers and sisters as a scapegoat for inkinga zethu. In South Africa, we had always had a problem yokugcwala kwey'kole. Iy'ngane ey'ningi ending up struggling ukuthi ithole ikhale ey'koleni. This is nothing new. And manje, you are trying to make it seem as if the reason why some South African children don't have spaces in school is because of kids whose parents are from other African countries, which is a lie, and you know that. In Emlazi, in KZN, la ngihlala khona, as we speak, kuney'ngane who are struggling ukuthi bathole ikhale ey'koleni. And 80%, 90%, 100% of these township schools do you only found South African children. But still, there are South African children abangayitholi ikhala ey'kolweni, which shows ukuthi the problem is not these kids whose parents are from other African countries. It is the government. Instead of me and you confronting the government to build more schools for iy'ngane zethu, we want to use these children as a scapegoat. Really? Really? Why isn't the government building more schools? Me and you, as we speak today, kunothisha abahleli emakhaya, qualified teachers abangafundisi ngoba imisebenzi ayikho. But yet kunothisha oyedwa ofundisa iy'ngane ezu-70 to 80 eklasini elilodwa. Instead of us fighting for that, instead of us fighting for the government to build more schools for iy'ngane zethu, we're busy fighting iy'ngane who had nothing to do with le nkinga esibhekene nayo. No, guys, there's an agenda that is being posed here. It's either the government is avoiding these questions and they are using these kids as a scapegoat, and they are pushing these women, this lentombazane le, to distract us from these issues. Because this thing is happening everywhere. You go Emlazi in the Western Cape, there's a shortage of schools, but yet we have huge numbers of teachers who are qualified, who are sitting at home. That is what we should be fighting for. That we should be confronting the government to build more schools and hire more teachers. Ngoba kunothisha abahleli emakhaya abangafundisi. But we don't want to talk about that. We're not going to talk about that. We're going to talk about kids. Ingane encane. We are intimidating kids, trying to prevent kids ukuthi zihambe esikolweni. Nah, man, this is bullshit, man. There's an agenda that is being posed here. There's an agenda that is being posed here. And if you cannot see it, then you are full of hate. I think this girl, wow, what is her name? Zandile. Zandile is just evoking that hatred that exists to some of you. That's why you cannot even see when you've been played. Because you are full of hate. You even hate yourself for the fact that you can hate a person that looks like you, but you will embrace a two-legged dog with a polon skin. I'm talking about the white people. You love those people. Instead of confronting those people, instead of confronting your government, you rather use kids as a scapegoat. Shame. And I will say this, history will judge us for this, Bafana, and be ready for that.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Nang body send a message ebantwini base South Africa ukuthi ayikho lento yokuthi abantu base South Africa bafuna ukublame abantu bokuqhamuka babasebenzisa as scapegoats, balokhu bathi abantu bokuqhamuka baqwalisa tikolo, and uyasho ukuthi i-government yethu yena ngiyo lekufanele build more schools, and we must stop using labantwana laba qhamuka kulamanye amavi ukuthi baqedza tindzawo tikolweni. So I don't understand ukuthi lo bhodi lo usho ukuthi thina as South Africa singakhona accommodate bonke abantu base-Africa as long as governments are like government itoloku yona yakha ingqumbe etikolo sho ukuthi bonke abantu basezim baseMalawi Nigeria bangeta la South Africa just indule kumele government ayende ku-eda tikolo then ngeke kuse kube inkinga lokho. I hope ngimva right. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.